Sony is expected to launch their next flagship phone, Sony Xperia 5 Mark II, on 17th of September. The company has officially confirmed it will be revealing a new Xperia product on this date, though it hasn't said it's the Xperia 5 Mark II. Anyways, until now, even Blass has shared multiple marketing images of this phone. Not just that, recently he shared a new promotional video which confirms some of the previously leaked details and provides new information as well. So now, first let's start with the design. The Sony Xperia 5 Mark II will be a compact phone, at least when compared to Xperia 1 Mark II. And it looks like it will continue to have small bezels at the top and bottom of the display, which will house stereo speakers and front camera. The camera housing on the rear appears to sit in the top left corner as it did on the Xperia 5. And there's a headphone jack at the top, which there wasn't on the last year's model. Additionally, the phone lacks time of flight sensor. Speaking about the specs, the video makes it clear that it has a 120Hz display, a first for a Sony smartphone. The screen also has a 240Hz touch sampling rate, meaning it's both smooth and fast. And according to reports, it will feature a 6.1-inch display, making it slightly smaller than the 6.5-inch Xperia 1 Mark II. It said the display will be HDR OLED with full HD Plus resolution and has an internal X1 engine to improve the image quality. The chipset remains the same as Xperia 1 Mark II, and that is the Snapdragon 865, and there is 8GB of RAM along with 128GB of storage, which is expandable via micro SD card. Another notable thing we see is that the phone will feature a 4000 mAh battery. For context, the Xperia 5 includes a 3140 mAh battery, so the Xperia 5 Mark II is getting a significant upgrade in that department. Coming to the focus of this phone, the cameras. It has a 12MP main camera with f1.7 aperture, which is equivalent to 24mm focal length, with a 12MP 124° ultra-wide-angle lens and also a 12MP that can produce a 3x zoom. The video confirms the phone has a Zeiss optics and a dedicated camera button. And it also looks like Sony Xperia 5 Mark II will feature real-time eye tracking when you point the camera at both humans and animals. Additionally, the Xperia 5 Mark II camera supports automatic focus and exposure in continuous bursts at up to 20 fps and records 4K HDR slow motion video at 120 fps, which is quite impressive. As seen in the leaked promotional video, the device also has a game enhancement feature, aka game mode. It also supports Dolby Atmos, LDAC and high resolution wireless audio playback. So that's it for this video. We will have more on the Xperia 5 Mark II in few days. So thank you for watching. Peace out.